Welcome to Jobman. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with your Jobman dashboard and the user menu panel, which is located to the left on your screen. The dashboard view is a snapshot of your current workload with easy access to your tasks and items that may require attention. The Settings tab is located on the bottom of the user menu panel along with the In-App Help tab. Cloud file storage integration is included as part of your Jobman subscription. Have your file storage username and password ready to complete this step. If you have opted to integrate with your accounting software, now is the time to set this up. For the initial connection, a user with administration and payroll access is recommended. Setting up your operations is the next step now that you're integrated. In Jobman, operations is steps in your workflow process. This is enough to get you started, so why not keep going? Now you can create a lead and use that lead to create and submit a quote. Once the quote has been accepted, the lead can then be used to create a job, keeping all your information linked. And to ensure that you get the most out of your Jobman software and that it's configured correctly for your business, be sure to continue your Jobman journey with our knowledge series. These videos are designed to guide you through the process. Help is always just a click away on the user menu panel. Simply type your question to search for what you need. Here is where you will find some great tips and tricks to get you started, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all the latest content.